welcome back. Today we are going to pick up a Honda Civic from Marketplace. It has no title and no key. So why are we picking this up?
Because apparently you want rims.
Well, the rims are really nice on it. Well, it looks like in the picture, they look almost brand new.
Because you like to travel with your wife to unnecessary places.
Are you butthurt?
A little bit.
You're a little butthurt. Tell them why you mad.
Fuck. Out of here.
Oh, it's what, 8 in the morning? We got a 2-hour drive to New Hampshire. And then to go pick up this car. It shouldn't take too long. I got the winch and the trailer and stuff. So, yeah, let's see how this works out.
So not only does it not have a title, there's no key.
There's no key, yep. I figure you like a challenge.
And now we gotta winch the sucker onto the trailer.
Yeah, I figure you like a challenge. The winch it'll suck it right on there, 2 seconds. We did that for your BMW, no problem. What? You're fine. You're fine. I like junk.
I see this.
I like
You just
junk.
like cars with no titles. This gotta be like the 5th one already.
No, this is the 1, 2. This is the 3rd one.
3, 5, it's all the same.
No. We don't have that many cars.
We have like 30 cars in our driveway.
No, we don't.
It feels like it.
No, we don't.
I may be a little dramatic, but 29. Sorry.
Well, this is these rims will fit the Honda EP3 project, so that's why I want it.
And this is why we're going to get it.
It'll fit the Honda EP. It's gonna be nice. The rims are worth for what we're paying for it. The rest of the car, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Part some of it out and then sell it as is. Where it is?
We'll see.
All right, we'll see how this goes.
So, Tony, how's it going over there?
It's going.
Yeah?
This is the car. It's fucking. It's
Bullet hole riddled and all.
Yeah, it's got bullet holes. Came from an impound lot.
Can't make this up.
Yeah.
What seems to be the problem there, sir?
It's too low.
What do you mean it's too low?
Too low. Well, take a look at it.
Yeah, seems to be low.
Alright, this car is too damn low, so I'm gonna try something else. I don't know if it's gonna work. We're gonna see. It's either gonna break something or.
Don't break our car.
Did you go around the car and show the car?
I didn't, but I can. Here, let's take a walk.
Smells like dog shit in there.
I'm sure it has nothing to do with the window that was shot out and the door that's now messed up. One man's trash, another man's treasure, apparently. That man happens to be my husband. How's it going with that there winch?
I don't know. Not working at the moment. Come on. The reason that we feel. That's on.
Did we get it?
Yes. Done. I'm gonna turn it this way. Let me know when I'm lined up, okay? Oh, the steering wheel's locked too? Oh, come on, bro.
Ah, that sucks. How much does that suck?
That sucks a lot. I can't turn the wheel. Fuck. Fuck. Shit. Alright, I have to figure something out. We'll pause the video for now.
You do know that's a wireless remote, right?
Oh yeah, that's it. Yup. It's because it's lowered.
How are we looking at the other side?
It's starting to come over this way now.
Yeah, you good. Good thing over. Get it right to the very edge. And then we'll hook it up here.
Oh, there goes.
Well, that was fun.
What?
Second time's the charm.
Hold on. You're cranking right here. See?
Sure, I could put a piece of wood down and just lift it.
It's still gonna be dragging right into it. Take that. You'll get more lift out of it than you will from this higher point.
Yeah.
Lower point. See that?
Forward.
Hold on a second. You're definitely pulling lower here. There you go.
Forgot we put that there.
Come down a little bit.
Alright, hold up.
All right, go ahead.
Fuck now.
Probably getting on the back. Back of the ramp. Yeah, you're coming up the back of the ramp. That a tow hook right here.
Let me get some wood. tight. I gotta go down more, right?
Yeah, it should be okay.
Stuck on something.
I'm gonna go back now.
What are you stuck on?
It's on that. It's on that side.
On this side?
Yeah, it's on the toe hook on that side. Because it's clearing on this side now.
So if I push it back a little bit, and then put the wood, it should be good.
Yeah, you gotta wait on it. Just, can you... Alright, now hold on a sec. I'm gonna put that block back in. We're gonna slide it over.
Let's pull it with a shot.
Yeah.
We have another strap if you want to just use another strap instead of pulling that one out.
I mean...
Yeah, I got a good one. Here, hold that.
So tell me, Tony, how much fun was that?
That was not fun. I learned don't buy a car with no key.
And don't use a Harbor Freight winch with the braided cable.
Oh, it shit snapped on this, man. Junk. Fucking junk. Did we get all the chunks off the truck?
We did get all the chocks off the truck.
That was more work than I wanted. But it's done. It's on the trailer. The guy used his Bobcat. So.
You know, because broken winch.
Yeah. I know.
Using junk to try to tow junk.
Yep.
Junk Masters. That should be the new name of our YouTube channel.
Junk Masters. Fuck you, man. This is gold. Literally. Look at the rims. They're gold. Did you? You didn't do a...
I did do a walk around.
Not on the trailer.
No, not on the trailer I
You
did.
should do one real quick.
Alright. I'm going to pause.
Pause.
Hold on a minute. I'll be right back with you.
There it is. So, the backstory of this Honda was it was involved in a shooting, I guess, and the guy fled the country and ended up at this tow yard over here, and now we have it. So I only bought this for the rents for the EP3, and I don't know what we're gonna do with the rest of these parts. I don't know. Figure it out. There's some bullet inside here. There's a bullet hole from in here. It smells horrible. It's been sitting for 6 years. Oh, the only little curb rash is here, right here. That's it. These rims are pretty mint. Get that all fixed up. No key, no title, steering wheel locked. Challenges are challenges. It's on here though. I have to return my Harbor Freight. This has exhaust? No stock. Nothing crazy. Alright, so stay tuned. We'll give you some let's see what, try to get this off at the house, or maybe I'll leave it on the trailer. I'm not sure yet. Alright, so we made it home, and guess what, guys? I was just seeing if I can find... Whoa, almost fell. Jesus. I was looking around for the registration, and guess what I found? I found the title, guys. I found the title. I'm wondering if the key's in here. I'm gonna check through all this stuff, and maybe the key's in here. Who knows? Can't seem to find anything. It's hard to open the doors because it's so low. I mean, this thing is literally, look at this. Look at this. Look at how this thing is slammed. Why would you want your car this freaking low, man? don't get it. But yeah, gonna have to figure something out. I got a feeling that the key's in here somewhere. I just can't open the doors or nothing right now. This door doesn't open from whatever happened, you know, the shooting and all that, broken glass and all stupid stuff. And actually, let's see if we can see the bullet hole. Let's see. There. Yep. So once I figure it out, get off the truck or the trailer and figure something out, and then yeah, this thing is complete junk. It broke, snapped, stupid cable snapped. Yeah, we'll figure it out. You guys gotta get it off. I'm not gonna do it today. It's really hot today, so I'm gonna call it a day. It's already like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Let me put some plastic on this for rain. I mean, now we got the title. See if we can get a key for it, and if we get a key for it, see if we can get it started. All right, stay tuned.